Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we all know what it means when you see me standing right here. So we're back with another try on haul, and today I have some items from Revolve which I've not yet shown on my channel, so I'm super excited to try the clothes on for you guys. I've shopped on there plenty of times before, so I'm excited to show you guys the items that I picked for this haul. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the haul. So the first thing that I have to show you guys is this black bodysuit. You guys know I love bodysuits, and you guys know that I love black, so of course there has to be a black item in this haul. So I just have this black bodysuit. It's a ribbed, really nice material bodysuit, and it's by the brand Majorelle. It does have buttons that actually function. You can unbutton these. Yep, you can unbutton all these buttons. So it's just a really nice, thick, but not super thick sweater material bodysuit. And the bottom of the bodysuit isn't a thong. It's more of like a cheeky bottom, and there's no button. So this is one of those bodysuits that you wear like you literally have to take off all your clothes to use the bathroom. But nonetheless, it's a really cute bodysuit. It's black, it's basic, and yeah, so we have this bodysuit. So the next item is a white t-shirt. Now this is a girlfriend white t-shirt, so it does have the girlfriend logo on the front of the shirt, and yeah, it's just a basic white tee. It's a nice soft material, and you know, this will go paired really well with like some denim, which is what I'm gonna pair it with. So yeah, I have just a really cute throw on with a cute pair of jeans and go type of shirt. So I have this shirt here, and I have this shirt in a small or extra small. Yeah, I have this shirt in an extra small. And then moving right along, I have a really nice turtleneck, and this is from the brand Lovers and Friends. This is in a size extra small, and it's in this really nice kind of salmon color, and I really love this sweater because it has like a little slit, so it adds a little extra to what would be, you know, a regular turtleneck top. So yeah, this is a really nice soft material, really cute. And then moving right along, I have this really cute green sparkly wrap dress, and I thought this would be really cute for like a holiday party or the holidays, or you know, kind of anything, because this color is just so pretty. So it is a wrap dress. It is heavy, so it's like a really nice material. This is from the brand Lovers and Friends as well, and I have it in an extra small. And wait till you guys see this on. This with like a leather jacket and some booties. Super cute. So yeah, I have this. And then moving right along to another green item. So I have a pair of sweatpants and, well, jogger pants, and these are from the brand Lovers and Friends as well, and they're in extra small. And these really caught my eye because first of all, the color is just really cute, and I like how the bottom is made. Like the front is like cinched like regular jogger pants, and then the back isn't, and it's like a little cut, so it's like a step hem. Like the front is shorter than the back. Really cute. I love the detailing on them, and I just love different kind of sweats. So I just had to get these. They have pockets. You guys know I love pockets in everything. Like my jacket needs to have a pocket, my pants, my shirts, like sweaters, everything. So I really like these pants. We have some denim, and these are the girlfriend denim jeans. So these are the Carolina, and they're skinny leg with a high waist and no stretch. So I have these in a size 24, and I just really love the wash of them. They're distressed. There's holes in the knees, and yeah, they're just some cute jeans. I got them in a size 24. So with denim that has no stretch, it kind of conforms to your body shape over time. So these aren't like super hard denim, which I hate. They're more on the softer side, but they're not like soft, like stretchy. So I think these would be really comfortable to wear. They're really cute. They're high waist. You guys know I love high waist jeans. I love high waist everything. So yeah, have these jeans here. So my next pair of jeans are from the Girlfriend brand as well, and these are the Kindle Jeans, and they're super skinny with a high waist and plenty of stretch. So these ones actually have stretch in them, and I got these in a size 23 because they do stretch a little bit. So these are what they look like, nice and stretchy, and I love the wash of these as well. They're just really nice quality jeans, and this one has minimal distressing. There's no holes in it or anything, so I just love the wash of these jeans. And then the last item that I have is like this sweater jacket, really cute. It's a gray sweater jacket. It has one button, so this is like a more heavy durable sweater material, so it can definitely pass for a jacket in the cold weather. So I have this in a size extra small, and it's from the brand Tula Rosa. It's on the longer side, so on me I'm like 5'4"ish. It goes past my knees, so it's a pretty long jacket, which I love. It has pockets. You guys know my stuff needs to have pockets, okay? So yeah, absolutely love this. So yeah, that's it for this quick little Revolve haul. I'll be sure to list all the items that I have in the description box for you guys to check out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.